just woke up from a failed attempt of taking a nice nap. So I just decided to get up and start filming myself. I want to start vlogging along with like doing my makeup and stuff, because I just want people that don't know me, like even from high school, a lot of people that watch me like don't really like know who I am or like know really anything about me. So I just, if you want to watch what I do with my life, then like, hey, here I am. And I feel like in my makeup videos, I'm pretty like serious and stuff, and I'm really not like that, like at all. And I kind of feel like I look like I'm a boring person, and I don't think I'm a boring person, so I need to show you guys that side of me. So yeah, I am gross and I need to shower still, and I think I'm gonna film a tutorial for Valentine's Day, and by the time I post this video, that video would already have gone up. So I'm gonna shower, I'm gonna do my makeup tutorial, I'm going to what else am I gonna do? Oh yeah, Livy and I need to go to the store, so I'm probably gonna take you guys there with me. Yeah, so it's International Pizza Day today, February 9th, 2018, and I remember last year vividly that it was International Pizza Day and no one would get pizza with me, and I was like, I can't go out by myself because I was still like annoying and like wouldn't do things by myself. But like now I'm really good about that. Like I could go out to Panera and like eat a meal by myself and I wouldn't even care. So that's all I have to say for you right now. So I'll be back in a little bit after I shower and do my makeup and all that fun stuff. So yeah, bye. So I just finished filming a video for Valentine's Day, as you can see, and that video is going to be up already when I post this one. So hopefully you'll have watched it. And now I'm going to a car place with Livy. We know nothing about cars. She has to get her car inspected, and so this should be fun because we're both, at least I'm an idiot when it comes to like cars and stuff. Like I went to get my oil changed by myself one time and I had no idea what I was doing. Like it's the most simple thing and I'm like, what's happening? The guy was asking me questions and I was like, yeah, do that. And then I got charged like $30 extra because I didn't know what I was talking about. But whatever. So yeah, we're gonna go do that and then we're gonna go get pizza, and I'm so excited. I've been eating healthy for like the past 2 weeks, which is like really rare for me. Like don't come for me, but like I eat so bad like all the time, and I've been eating healthy for 2 weeks, so like I need something. I need pizza. I'm so excited for pizza. Also, look at how cute this hat is. Me and Libby have matching teddy bear hats and they're the cutest thing ever. We got them at Five Below and I absolutely love it. I wear it way too much, but whatever. Also, you guys are gonna get really sick of me wearing this jean jacket. I think I wear it every day. I'm not kidding. So yeah, just a little update, and I'll see you when we go to the car place. Bye. Change of plans. We didn't go get Libby's car inspected, and we're at Target now. Say hi.
Hello. I love you. Oh. Hello. Do we match?
How cute.
Call it has.
It's National Pizza Day, and it doesn't really seem like these places have deals for us, and I'm confused because how are you gonna have the same deals you have all the time on National Pizza Day?
They lied to me because I looked it up on the TodayShow.com.
Look it up on Pizza Hut's website.
Oh my God, you're so smart, Jonna.
This girl. Guys, let me know. What do you like better, Pizza Hut or Domino's? I'm really like a Pizza Hut hoe, but like Pizza Hut pizza is like the best fake pizza there is.
I feel like it should.
Okay, well, we're gonna go get some pizza, and I'm so excited because no one got pizza with me last year on National Pizza Day.
Why didn't we do that?
I don't know.
I didn't get pizza either.
But no one wanted to go with me, and that was a very sad time.
Pizzas.
So yeah, I'll be back when we get the pizza. So yeah, bye. We are extra, and we just got wings and garlic knots at a local place, and oh my God, I'm gonna look terrible. Hello! We just got wings at like a local place and we're getting pizza. Yeah, Pizza Hut. Okay, well, we'll be back with you when we get our Pizza Hut so we can do an unboxing.
I'm so hungry.
We're so hungry. All we've eaten today, or all we've drank today, are protein shakes. Amazing. Yeah. Happy National Pizza Day. Amazing. So we ate almost all the pizza because we're gross,
And Josh came.
oh yeah, and Livy's boyfriend ate like a lot of it for us. Well, not the pizza, but he ate multiple garlic knots. I have a booger in my nose.
And he ate some pizza too.
1 second. So he ate multiple garlic knots and chicken wings. So thank you, Josh. I'm gonna expose Livy's boyfriend. Hey, what's going on?
Can I show your vlog this cute picture of a pig?
Oh yeah, Livy wants to show you a picture of a pig.
Can you look at pictures
Love.
that you've liked?
Oh my god.
Gara.
I want to be friends with him so bad.
Me too.
Yes, you can look at pictures you liked. Watch, I'll show you how.
Oh my god.
Instagram.
Instagram tutorial.
Okay, let's talk about how Livy literally posts this and gets 152 likes. 154 likes, I'm sorry. Also, let's see, oh my god, it's me.
Where are pigs? Oh, well, anyways.
You're really, I just want to listen to music, not your phone.
Tell me you love me.
So I'm totally wearing the same clothes as yesterday because I slept over at Livy's house and I didn't bring a change of clothes. And I had to go out in public before I came home. Also, just a little update. The Morphe 35B palette, the pink like literally stained my eyes. Like it looks like I have a disease. Like that's great because like it's good pigmentation, but like I literally look sickly right now. Yeah, so I just needed to like do an ending to this vlog and I was gonna end it last night, but Livy and I like got distracted and I didn't really have my phone out that much. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. I mean, it wasn't that exciting. We're going to a concert in 2 weeks. We're going to see AWOL Nation and Nothing But Thieves, which I'm so excited about. And maybe I'll do a weekend vlog for that because we're going to 2 concerts that weekend. And yeah, so that's going to be a really good weekend. So I guess I'll see you guys either in my next makeup tutorial or in my next vlog. Okay, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys later. Bye.